All right, today's block of the day is going to be a popliteal sciatic block, a real popular choice for blocks of the day lately, but we will be mixing it up yet again. We're going to be doing this in the prone position. And for those of you who have seen the earlier block of the day that I did, in the lateral hip forward tilted position, that's my usual, that's my standard. I like to think of that position as kind of the medium porridge, like the Three Bears, so to speak, where prone position's a little cold and supine position's a little hot, and that lateral hip forward tilted position is just right. But we will demonstrate the prone position today because it's a very similar hand-eye coordination technique to that lateral position, with a few overall general subtle, albeit but drawbacks nonetheless, as far as the patient experience and as far as the practitioner experience. So we'll start off by talking about a couple of the things that I'm not particularly fond of with this position, one by one. Okay, the first overall thing that makes it a bit more challenging from a patient perspective